Technical issues require innovative solutions from a trusted partner. Troubleshoot, improve, repair. We make it happen. At L&H Industrial, we are a global team of innovators, creators, and craftsmen. Keeping the world's largest machines and operations working is taken seriously in what we have been perfecting for over 50 years. Founded on the principle of creating something better than before has shaped us into the company we are today and continues to lay the foundation for our future. It's in our DNA to solve complex and one-of-a-kind problems and build honestly better solutions for the world. Today, we partner with industrial operations around the globe through our network of locations and distributors. Partnerships are the core of how we do business, and together with our customers, we decode the matrix of maintenance obstacles. We fix problems when no one else can. We do it because we care, and we believe in moving industries forward. Working side by side with our customers and solving the industry's toughest problems motivates our field service crews to deliver responsive, on-site support. Inspired by technology that is changing industry, our in-house engineering teams provide manufacturing solutions that revolutionize conventional designs to reinvent machine life. Breakthrough technology allows our designs to come to life, with quality and safety ingrained in everything we do. We are pioneers of heavy industry. Our expertise in technology innovations, custom manufacturing, and comprehensive services for operations and power generation allow us to generate solutions so that you can generate power. Whether we are creating a custom designed solution, manufacturing drivetrain components for a wind turbine, or servicing an operation where the impossible happens in the most remote locations of the world, at L&H, we strive on the impossible.